Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
Chitulu Media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Listen, if you miss a show Sunday, and I'm a live show on VMC Planet Radio, it's not a problem. We got you covered. Look at Spotify, Utaikuma, Spotify podcast, of course. Look at Apple Podcast, Utaikuma. Come on in Iono. It's a national one, almost that one.
Yeah, I don't know where you can be able to download it for free.
Also, that's also if you wanna see our craziness on studio, how we go mad. Look, he can't the snacks, fana and like so. Go on YouTube, on Chitulu Media, our podcast there is there as well. You'll see on our craziness. Now, come on, we get some back in this back.
Okay. Show sungula namuhla kufanele hivi na nongonoko ekhaya ibhula mina into kahle something is wrong with my phone. Oh yeah. Namuhla kufanele hivi na nongonoko ibhula the Zim side ya Butsonga. However, could be technical issues that no longer is happening. Now while akabutlanga ina trend, how do you teach pride urehava fully as mundonkulu? I'm talking in regards to kids. I'm a parent, Fuman is a parent. Where is still
I'm an auntie.
Okay, Wahani.
Mantsongo.
No man.
Oman.
Yeah, Oman. It's talk. So you are doing this, especially we work in media. We know how the aesthetics of
and the importance and the intentions
of how these things work.
Exactly.
How do we then, as a people, as Sembiso, Angamtsaro, as a guy, as a translator, come over a subtitle?
Yes.
Ngata se membe.
Ulo kumeka mintira nota shibe interview ngena yakusanga kunamuhla mintire seyifolelo.
Yeah.
Ka ulo kuyi representing. So how do you teach that as Banu? All of us here Butsonga, we did not start with it from a positive point of view. We had to teach ourselves how to love ourselves, and we had to grow and even influence others to say, yo, this thing is popping. So how do you compete na Ben 10? Na very manish.
Bo Spider-Man.
Baby Shark.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. She's on that journey. Peppa Pig.
And for me, right now, I won't lie to you. I'm at a point. I think it's loathing. That's a good word. I'm starting to loathe these YouTube English programs where, to a point, look at the Kanga. I copied this from his thing and the same thing with my daughter. Look at Kanga. Because look, check our kids, we end up teaching them in our doing this.
They are being taught by YouTube. That's the say, where we buy the data.
You buy the phones?
The phones, the TV.
You have to complain about doing this.
Hey, and one is like, and that screen is Utamino Ashamini watching a screen. And that becomes the most comfortable language. Language like papa like the basics, like we are toilet.
Marakuti express the feelings tabona, yes, but there is a shilung.
And ngeba soli bana kuna inabatwara.
Afan.
Say he solve banjani.
Mara guys, you see, for me, I think you know what's the I would say the biggest issue. And I like that we're doing what we're doing. I like that we are in media, the three of us. Meaning we are speaking to us directly.
Yes.
Look, check out the Americans model. I did a film with these American guys before. So in the scene that we did, there was no so my character was some guy staying in the bush somewhere because kuna in Liberia. Then they asked, how am I surviving? Oh, by the way, let me just but in name drop.
Yes.
And then Charlize film.
Oh, hey, Charlize Theron, our very own.
So director Agushan Penn. So those guys would ask me, how are you making a living? And I would say, this is a line that was added on the day once we're shooting. I would say, no, I'm making my living selling my booze to that ship, that USA, what ship.
Yes.
You know what they're doing? They eat drip, man. Look, we are Spider-Man. What are the colors of Spider-Man?
Red and blue.
What are the colors of Superman?
Red and blue.
That Transformers moved
Oh, red, blue, and white. Hey.
Look at their flag.
The American flag, yes.
If you check in their movies, there's always about something pride, war, winning, and whenever they have to win, guess what happens? They clap and shout, isn't it?
Yeah, patriotism is big, America.
So you see, that
Sorry.
stuff is very intentional.
Yes.
So Utkuma Nehela South Africa, he repeated their things up there as if they are the biggest, best thing that has ever happened to anyone. So there is no way for us to create this pride if we don't have pride from media's point of view.
To build a nation, it's like staging a coup, but number one, you need to take over the army. After army, you take over all media.
All media, exactly.
After
Yes.
media, you close all borders. No one comes in, no
No one
one
goes out.
And then you target the enemy, you single them out, even without anyone knowing.
Because no one will report because the media has been taken over.
Closed, yeah.
You shut down phones, all communication.
On this-
Control of all communication. So we see this issue is not only a Tsonga issue, it's a black issue in South
Yes.
Africa. We do not create, we only consume.
And
we only respond.
we
react.
assimilate also a lot.
We do not have a backbone, we lack confidence as a race.
Mina anahamba nipfuka nuku South Africa ngoba yena yoba silent we are a USA extension. In our culture is almost everything, all our media culture, our entertainment culture, even our writing, a lot of it should take up from American culture.
Yes.
A lot of it to influence America.
Fana, remember was it 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Was it 2 weeks ago? Man, now we're asking each other questions. I asked this question, Kuri. How do we create and tell a story the way the Americans have done, or create a model,
A style.
a style that they have done? I'm not saying we must copy that. That's not what I'm saying. We need to find our own tone. We need to
Yes.
find our own theme. Look at that guy. Is it Jordan Peele?
Yes.
He has literally created
Yes.
a sub-theme within the whole structure.
Exactly, of black film, of a certain type of black film. Yes, definitely.
What is-
Black horrors.
See, Tata Kwene.
We do have them, it's just that it's not point. It's
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.